いらっしゃいませ。みんなおはようございます。Welcome to Udon Classroom, where our chefs have prepared you an epic course of grammar for today.
I'm so excited!
Now we're going to be learning demo, which means but or however. Now, 今日僕はめっちゃ元気です。お腹空いていますか? I won't let you guys leave without mastering this grammar. So, shut up and sit down, find a space at the counter, pull up a stool, and our chefs will prepare your meal. And the price? Just one humble like. Now guys, let's go into your future Japanese career. 始めましょう。
日本語を勉強しましょう。うどん教室へようこそ。始めるぞ。エクスプラネーション。
Welcome to today's lesson on demo, which means but, however, or though. Let's have a look at how we use this.
How do you form it?
So, it is a great little piece of grammar that you can use to often start a new sentence or to connect two contradicting sentences or ideas. Now, this JLPT N5 grammar demo simply means but or however, but there are some more complex uses as you go about your studies, but for now we're just going to be learning the but and however.
Examples.
So we're going to look now at some example sentences and we will learn through those, because guys, that's the best way to learn. So let's have a look at the first sentence. 私は魚が好きです。でも肉も好きです。私は魚が好きです。でも肉も好きです。I like fish, but I also like meat. What a dilemma. So, you can see here it's a contradicting sentence, or contrasting sentence, should I say. 私は魚が好きです。So, I like fish, however, but でも肉も好きです。So, we use it to start that new sentence. So, that's a really good way to remember. Always remember to use it to start a new sentence, not in the middle of a sentence. So,
that's interesting.
Let's have a look at another one. パン屋に行きました。でも何も買いませんでした。I went to the bakery but didn't buy anything. Man, you got all the way to that bakery but you didn't buy anything. Maybe the bread was old or stale. Who knows? Okay, let's have a look at the next sentence. So we have 動物が好きです。でも犬が一番好きです。動物が好きです。でも犬が一番好きです。I like animals, but I love dogs the most. So, of course, everyone loves animals, but this guy loves dogs the most.
Great job!
So now, the last example, we'll have a bit of a longer example here, guys. So, 図書館に行きました。でも集中できませんでした。図書館に行きました。でも集中できませんでした。I went to the library, but I wasn't able to concentrate. I went to the library, however, I wasn't able to concentrate. Not like you guys, we know that you're concentrating and you're really getting this.
Homework, 宿題.
Guys, you have done so well today for sticking through. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to watch it a few times to make sure you get it. And of course, your homework is to write 3 example sentences in the comments. Now, if you don't do this, you're probably going to forget it. So make sure you do, guys. You've done a big part of your adventure today is just doing this video. And if you can do just 1 video per day and take some action, then you're going to make some real progress. So, みんな、お腹がいっぱいですか? よかったね. We will see you guys in the next video. Remember to subscribe or the udon is coming for you in your nightmares. Everybody, bye for now. またね.
Subscribe to the channel. 日本語を勉強しましょう。うどん教室へようこそ。始めるぞ。